everyone. So I'm going to be doing the student ranking question that Maxwell assigned for homework. So right here I have the Excel spreadsheet that someone was kindly enough to email to the class, and I added each student in bold on top. So but to get it the way that Maxwell assigned it to us, you're going to want to have to transpose this data set. So you do that by first copying it, and then right-clicking on a cell, going to Paste Special, and Transpose. So now here you can see student 1, 2, 3, all the way to 28, and his rankings by his or her classmates. So there's only 25 rankings, so I guess 3 students didn't show up to class that day. So to answer the first part of the question, who was ranked the best and who was ranked the worst, what you're going to want to do is average all of the rankings for every student. So equals average, opening parentheses, and you're going to want to select the entire row. So here student 1 was ranked on average a 6 out of the entire class. So what you can do is actually just drag this straight down all the way to student 28, and here's everyone's rankings. So just at a glance, it looked like student 1 was ranked the best and student 28 was ranked the worst. And actually, if you actually just highlight all these cells down here, it'll tell you the averages. So that's just a quick little tip. And part 2 of the question is who gave the best rankings and who gave the worst rankings. So the way you're going to want to do that is to look at the correlation between everyone's average ranking and the rankings they assigned to each student. So you do that by doing equals coral. So you want to look at everyone's average ranking versus the rankings they assigned to each student. So student 1 has a correlation of around 0.78, and so if you drag it down, it doesn't work. So you actually have to do this for each and every student, which gets a little tedious. So I'm just going to do one more for you. Copy this entire column, and then you're going to copy this one for student 2. So you can see student 2 had a correlation of 0.45. And I went ahead and just already did this all, so you didn't have to watch me do all 25. So so who ranked the best? You're going to want to look for the student with the highest correlation. So that seems to be the student right here, about student 8, it seems like. And if you look here, these 2 students have negative correlations. So obviously they were the ones that gave out the worst rankings, or the most inaccurate. And that's how you do that.